Cats by Cats.m4v. Experts generally agree that there are 37 species in the family Felidae, but they have offered dozens of classification schemes, ordering cat species in as many as 2 to as many as 23 genera. They look like big cats, mid-sized cats, and small cats, and genetic investigations that they have tried over the past 2 decades have failed to sort the cats into definitive groups. Comparing the same DNA sequences of 30 genes in each living cat species, they were able to determine the branches of the tree. Then, to arrive at the time each branch emerged, they used securely dated fossils and molecular clock analysis. The result provided the first definitive look at how cats of all sizes are related to one another, and led them to discern how and when these superb predators colonized 5 continents. DNA studies seem to group 37 species into 8 distinct clusters or lineages. Species in one lineage often share morphological, biological, and physiological characteristics found only in their group. The comparison of gene sequences identified the lineages, the order of their emergence, and, with the help of fossil collaborations, the time they appeared. Nevertheless, they needed additional pieces of information to fill out their scenario and discern where cats first arose and how they came to have their current distribution around the world. When sea levels were low, land bridges connected continents, allowing mammals to migrate to new domains. When sea levels rose again, animals on the continents were isolated once more. Studies of vertebrae show that isolation on continents or an island provides just what is required for a population to drift apart so much genetically that eventually it can no longer breed with contemporary descendants of its former relatives, a reproductive distancing that is the hallmark of speciation. Based on the fossil record alone, most researchers have accepted a cat called Pseudoloris that lived in Europe 9 million to 20 million years ago as the last common ancestor of modern felids. Their recent molecular investigations, however, suggest that all modern cats are descended from one of several Pseudoloris species that lived in Asia some 11 million years ago. In order, we have the 8 lineages of cats. First, the Panthera, medium to large-sized cats found throughout the world, the dominant predators in the ecosystems and on the continents that they inhabit. Then the bay cat, poorly known group of small to medium-sized cats. Habitat is the tropical Southeast Asia. Then the serical, medium-sized cat, restricted to Africa. We have the ocelot, small to medium-sized cats, lived in a broad range of habitats throughout Central and South America. The lynx, medium-sized cats, all have short tails and pointed ears, North America and Eurasia. The puma, small jaguarundi to the large African cheetah, North America, but have spread widely across 4 continents. The Asian leopard cat, small cat, occupy a wide range of habitats in Asia. And last, the domestic cat. Small cats, with the exception of the domestic cat, which is worldwide, have African and Eurasian distribution. Sometime around 9 million years ago, descendants of the panther-like predator that is the ancestor of all modern cats began to migrate from its home in Asia to Africa and North America. Unusually low sea levels during this period meant that bridges of land stretched across the Bering Strait and the northern and southern ends of the Red Sea facilitated the cat's journey. Many other migrations occurred between 1 million and 4 million years ago, when lowered sea levels connected the continents once again. The most recent puma migration occurred 8,000 to 10,000 years ago.